Welcome to the Red Hawk Report. The Red Hawk Report is a bi-weekly show that focuses on people, events, and operations around our Red Hawk Nation. The Red Hawk Report strives to create connections and bond us together even though we are apart during this pandemic. Today's episode focuses on the recent partnership between CVCC and Gaston College.
The Manufacturing and Textile Innovation Network, also known as MTIN, is a partnership between the Manufacturing Solutions Center and the Textile Technology Center. We are located in Western North Carolina and serve companies within the U.S. and around the world.
Our vision is to create an end-to-end matchless resource for textile testing, prototyping, applied research and development, business incubation, and training.
The Manufacturing Solutions Center and the Textile Technology Center are leading the way in providing solutions for manufacturing and textile processes and advancement.
The Manufacturing Solutions Center provides technical assistance, product testing, training, business incubation, and product research and development for commercial manufacturers, including commercial manufacturers that specialize in textile and fabrics and non-textile related products.
The Textile Technology Center provides technical assistance, testing services, product prototyping, and sample production. Customized training for commercial manufacturers using textile and fiber in the manufacturing process.
The Manufacturing and Textile Innovation Network, along with the respective colleges, Catawba Valley Community College and Gaston College, have formed a unique partnership that allows both centers to operate in coordination with each other to provide, among other things, better support to their respective clients, expand services to other related industries, and provide more opportunities for research and development.
Our operational partnership of the two centers benefits the center's industry customers, the textile and manufacturing industries, and our respective communities. Our network serves as another economic development resource for the region and state of North Carolina.
The Manufacturing and Textile Innovation Network.